Now let's explain Madd Al-Badal. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Let's know Madd Al-Badal. Madd Al-Badal. What does the word badal mean? Do you know?
No.
Badal, it means simply to change. Like for example, yeah, we usually have, used to, for example, say 1, 2, 3 in order. 1, 2, we don't say 2, 1, 3, correct? Or 3, 1, 2, or 3, 2, 1. No, we do this, and this is the usual way, right?
Yeah.
So if you, for example, if you make 2, 1, 3, this is unusual, and you make now the method of badal. You change 2 from the second position, you give it here as the first position, and you change 1. It was in the first position, you give it, you put it here as a second position, right? You give it the second rank. Yeah. So this is the method of badal. This is what does the word badal mean, to change or something changed. So what's the idea? In general, we have a mad letter followed by something. Like for example, followed by سكون as مد عارض للسكون, or مد لازم. مد letter followed by همزة as مد متصل or مد منفصل. Correct? But when
Yeah.
it comes to بدل, no, we don't have this. We have something followed by mad letter. So we put it here, and we put it, it was here in this position, but we make it here. We delayed it. It becomes delayed now, as a second position. And something will be on the first position, which is this hamza. Okay, so we change the rank. So mad the mad letter will be in the second position. Okay, and the hamza will be on the first position. This is the method of badal. You understand?
Yeah.
Yeah. So here Maddul Badal. This is the concept in general. Maddu al Badal. Maddul Badal is wajib or jaiz? No, it's jaiz. How many beats? It can be 2, 4, or even 6 beats. But we
Okay.
only apply, yeah, we only apply 2. Okay, but you have the right to make it 4 or 6, but we usually make it 2. Okay, so we agreed we have a hamza, then a mad letter. Like the word amanu, amanu. Okay, or the word imana, imana. Okay, or the word utu. Right, so all these examples considered as badal. Why badal? Because here in this one we have hamza, then a mad letter. Here we have hamza, then a mad letter. Here we have hamza, then a mad letter. We agreed alif has to be preceded by fatha, so that's why this hamza has a fatha, and here this hamza has a kasra because of this letter, which is ya, and here this hamza has a dhamma because of this letter, which is waw. Right? This is a normal mad. Right? Here we have a mad letter, waw, and this waw preceded by dhamma, so this is normal mad letter. So this is called general mad or natural mad, mad tabi'i, 2 beats. So you could tell me what's the difference between general mad and this mad? This one 2 beats, and this one, yeah, this one is only 2 beats. But this one, this waw, can be 2 beats, 4 beats, or even 6 beats. Look at this, the same letter and the same situation. But because of this one considered, because this one is considered as badal because we have hamza before it, so this
Okay.
hamza makes this mad 2, 4, or even 6 beats. So you can say utu as 2 beats, or utu, or 6 beats, utu. Get my point?
Yeah.
But this one only 2 beats because this is not badal, this is just general mad, mad طبيعي,
Okay.
mad natural mad. Here same, imana, imana, or إيمانا. This is same. آمنوا or آمنوا. Something very important. This form, which is Hamza plus mad letter, can be written like this. Okay? And this one is only with a light sound.
Okay.
Like you cannot say oh, no, it's a. This form is only with a light sound. A, a. Like the word Adam, for example. This Hamza is heavy, this mad is heavy or light?
Light.
Light. Why? Because this form is actually equal to this.
Okay.
Is actually equal to this. So a Hamza, and as you know, this alif depends on the previous letter. If the previous letter is light, then it's light. If the previous letter is heavy, then it's heavy. You know this?
Okay.
Like,
No,
oh, like the mad letter is heavy or light? Alif. Mad with alif. This alif is heavy or light? This alif can be heavy or light.
mhm.
Can be heavy or light. Well, this alif depends on the previous letter. Let's say X letter. If this X, as we know, alif has to be preceded by fatha, so this X has to be with a fatha. But we don't care about this fatha, we care about X when it comes to heaviness and lightness. So if this X is a heavy letter, then this alif is heavy. If this X is a light letter, then this alif is light. For example, we have طال. This alif is preceded by ta. Ta is a heavy letter, correct? So
Yeah.
this alif is heavy because it depends on the previous one. The previous one is ta, which is a heavy letter, then this alif is heavy. طا طال
Mhm.
طال. Because actually this alif is the extension of this fatha, right? So extended, so it cannot be light at all. طال. We agreed the mad letter itself doesn't have a separate sound. It's just a sign to extend the previous haraka, which is this fatha. And this fatha is with a ta, which is a heavy letter, so this fatha has to be heavy. I mean, this mad has to be heavy as well. طال طال. We never extend alif itself. We never say طال. No, alif mad or the mad in general doesn't have a separate sound. Mad is just a sign. The letter of mad is just a sign to extend the previous sound, which is here fatha because this one is alif. So طال. But how about this example? It's ta now. Ta is heavy or light? Ta is a light
Light.
letter. Yeah. So this mad is light. Tele. So in the beginning it was o sound. O o sound. But here it's a light sound. Te te tele tele tele. Right?
Yeah.
Or for example this one. قال. This alif is heavy. This mad is heavy because the previous letter is heavy. But this one kele. It gives a sound. Kele. So this one is qa. Look at this. The same letter can be o or a. قال kele. It depends on the previous sound. So we agreed when it comes to Madd Al-Badal, it starts with Hamza, then Mad. So this alif is heavy or light? Depends on the previous. The
Mm.
previous is Hamza, which is a light one. Hamza is a light
Yeah.
letter. Hamza is light, so this alif is light. So it's a. Cannot be
Okay.
o. But sometimes we don't write this. We instead of writing two letters, we make them just one letter like this. Okay, like Al-Quran, for example. Al-Quran. So this one cannot be with a heavy sound. Why? Because the original is this,
Okay.
right? And this alif is light because Hamza is light. Quran, Quran, like this. You understand?
Yeah.
Or Adam. that one equals to this one. Adam. Okay?
Yeah.
Yeah. So this is Madd Al-Badal. So again, we agreed Madd Al-Badal is jaiz. This mad can be 2 beats, 4 beats, or even 6 beats. This mad, the structure of this mad starts with Hamza, then a mad letter. Okay, Hamza, then a mad letter. And as you know, here we have Amanu when it comes to Fatha. When it comes to Kasra, Imana, Dhamma with Waw mad, Utu. Okay?